Greetings, one and all, and welcome to the Open-Handed Classroom. I want to extend a special thank you to you, yes, you, for stopping by. Now, students, note that before us is a multiple choice question, and I got this question from the 2018 Paper 2 Social Studies BJC examination. And note that currently this question is unsolved, but I assure you that by the end of this video, this question would be completed. But I have a question. I have a question for you, and the question is the following. Are you ready? Are you ready? Then let's dive in. We begin by reading the question. And the question states the following. The object upon which the Earth rotates is it A, axis, B, altitude, C, equator, or D, pole? Again, the object upon which the Earth rotates is it A, axis, B, altitude, C, equator, or D, pole? I am going to give you an opportunity to attempt this question on your own, so please pause the video, attempt the question on your own, and I'll see you on the other side of the pause. Okay, now that you have attempted this question on your own, let us proceed with this question together. Let's consider some definitions. What is altitude? What is altitude? Altitude, like elevation, is the distance above sea level. The most high altitude point on Earth is Mount Everest. As altitude rises, air pressure drops. In other words, if the indicated altitude is high, the air pressure is low. But what is equator? What is an equator? An equator is an imaginary line around the middle of a planet or other celestial body. It is halfway between the North Pole and the South Pole at 0 degrees latitude. An equator divides the planet into a northern hemisphere and a southern hemisphere. The Earth is widest at its equator. Okay, but what is pole? What is pole? A geographical pole or geographic pole is either of the 2 points on Earth where its axis of rotation intersects its surface. The North Pole lies in the Arctic Ocean, while the South Pole is in Antarctica. Okay, but what is the Earth's axis? What is the Earth's axis? Imagine a line passing through the center of the Earth that goes through both the North Pole and the South Pole. This imaginary line is called an axis. Earth spins around its axis, just as a top spins around its spindle. This spinning movement is called Earth's rotation. At the same time that the Earth spins on its axis, it also orbits or revolves around the sun. This movement is called revolution. Now, in light of the given definitions, what is the answer to question 3? Is it A, axis, B, altitude? No, it's not altitude. Is it C, equator? No, it's not equator. Is it D, pole? No, it's not D, pole. The correct answer is A, axis. The object upon which the Earth rotates is its axis. Thank you.